What is a marketing mix, and what should your marketing mix look like? The marketing mix covers the most important questions which your business plan should answer. Questions about products and services, prices, sales, and advertising and communication. So there are 4 parts to the marketing mix. Here are some useful questions to ask yourself about products and services. How can your products and services best be aligned with the needs of your customers? How do they guarantee benefits for the customer? And how do they differ from your competitors' offerings? What packaging do your products need to attract attention? And what services must you supply to satisfy your customers? Questions about price. What price will customers accept? Should you use competitors' prices for guidance? Should you offer special terms such as cash or bulk discounts or free delivery? The price should always cover your costs and be competitive. Questions about sales. How do you get the right quantity of your products or services to the right customers on time? Do customers want to buy them directly, or do they prefer third-party sales channels? How do you reach customers abroad? Finally, there are a few questions about communication and advertising. What message do you want to communicate to customers, and how? Do your business stationery and company logo match the image you want to project? What advertising media are suitable for your customers? What is the right PR strategy? Finding the right mix of all 4 marketing elements is the best way to achieve your business goals. Okay, got that?